the Shambhaland, bare feet touching borrowed sand from a village heart in Kenya's sun. That's where Mkirikacha begun. Rain on leaves, hope in hand, learning life from the soil we stand. Not just food, not just grain, but patience growing after pain. I saw the seeds, I saw the fight, dusty days and restless nights. So I picked a camera, shared the way, teach the soil, teach every day. From the soil we rise again, green dreams through the sun and rain. Mkirikacha, hear the call, every seed stands